Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into something super exciting, how to make money selling digital products like ebooks and templates. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming for full-time income, digital products are an incredible way to make money. And don't worry, I'll make this as simple and step by step as possible. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, first things first, what exactly are digital products? Digital products are items that you create once and can sell repeatedly without holding any physical stock. Examples include ebooks, templates, printables, courses, digital art, and even things like stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that once created, they're infinitely scalable. You don't need to worry about production costs or shipping. You can sell as many as you want whenever you want. Now, why choose digital products to make money? Well, there are three big reasons. Passive income. After you create your digital product, you can make money from it over and over. Very little ongoing work, low startup costs compared to physical products. You don't have to buy inventory or pay for packaging and shipping. Flexibility. Digital products can be sold on multiple platforms, your own website, marketplaces like Etsy, or even social media. So, if you're interested in something that could give you extra cash on the side or even replace your job income someday, digital products are a fantastic option. Before jumping into creating your digital product, you need to decide on a niche. This is simply the main topic or area your digital product will focus on. Here are a few popular niches: health fitness, ebooks or meal plan templates, business marketing, social media templates, budget planners, personal development, goal setting worksheets, productivity planners. Choose something you're knowledgeable or passionate about because it'll make the process more enjoyable. Think about areas where you can provide value to others or ask yourself, what knowledge or skill do I have that someone else might be willing to pay for? Once you have a niche, it's time to choose what kind of digital product you want to make. Here are a few popular options: ebooks. If you love writing, you can turn your expertise into a short guide or book. Templates, these can be as simple as social media graphics, planners, or even business templates, online courses. If you have more complex knowledge to share, you can create a short course with videos and materials. Each product type has different demands, but ebooks and templates are some of the easiest to start with. They don't require much upfront investment and can be made with simple tools you might already have. Now, the fun part: creating your product. Let's go over some basic tools you can use for different types of digital products. Ebooks. For ebooks, tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word work great. You can design your ebook on Canva to add some nice images and a cool cover. Remember to save it as a PDF to make it downloadable for your buyers. Templates. Canva is also amazing for templates. You can design planners, Instagram posts, or business documents and save them as templates, courses. If you are creating an online course, you can start by recording videos on your phone or computer and edit them with basic software like iMovie or even free apps on your phone. When creating your product, focus on value. Think about what would make the product useful to your audience and keep it simple. Sometimes less is more. Pricing is a key part of making money with digital products. Here's a quick guide on how to price yours. Research competitors. See what similar products are priced at on sites like Etsy or Gumroad. If you're selling a basic ebook, pricing it between $5 and $20 might be a good range. Consider your value. If you've created something unique, you can charge a bit more. Start low, then increase, especially if you are new. It can help to start at a lower price and increase it as you gain more reviews and feedback. Remember, digital products are often priced affordably. because people are willing to pay a lower amount for instant access and downloads. You have a few options for where to sell your digital product. Etsy, great for beginners, especially for templates and printables. Etsy already has a large audience, so you won't have to work too hard to get traffic. Gumroad, another option where you can sell ebooks, templates, and courses. It's simple and user friendly. Your own website. If you have a website, you can set up a shop and avoid paying marketplace fees. It also makes you look more professional. Each platform has its pros and cons, so start with one that feels easiest to you. No one will know about your product if you don't promote it. Here are some easy ways to start social media. Share about your product on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. These platforms work great for promoting digital products, email marketing. If you have an email list or even a few subscribers, you can tell them about your new product, collaborations, partner with people in your niche. For example, if you made a social media template, connect with influencers or small business owners who might want to share it with their followers. Marketing is key to getting your first sales, so don't skip this step. Here are a couple of quick bonus tips to help you succeed. Get feedback. Ask early buyers for reviews or testimonials. Positive feedback can help you attract more buyers. Keep improving. Update your products based on feedback to keep them fresh and relevant. Be patient. Success with digital products doesn't happen overnight. Keep working on it and sales will grow over time. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you feel ready to start making money with digital products like ebooks and templates. Remember, it's a journey, so start small, learn as you go, and have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your ideas for digital products you're excited to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.